In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and use Trello for managing your projects. If you've been looking for ways to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity, Trello can be a powerful tool. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, organizing tasks and collaborating with your team becomes straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right in and explore how to use Trello to its fullest potential, using a project board as our example. First, we need to access the project board, which serves as the central hub for all your tasks and projects. By clicking on the link provided, you'll be directed to your project board on Trello. Here you'll find columns or lists that represent different stages of your project, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Each card within these lists stands for an individual task. Once you're on the board, let's locate a specific task we want to interact with. Imagine you're managing a project that involves creating 20 videos. Find and click on the relevant card for this task to open up more detailed information about it. Next, within this task card, you'll notice a section for comments. Comments are incredibly useful for sharing updates, asking questions, or providing feedback. To engage here, click on the Comments section. This will allow you to communicate with your team members directly from the task card, ensuring everyone stays updated in real time. After clicking on Comments, you'll see an option called Write a Comment. This is where you can begin typing your thoughts or updates. Crafting clear and concise messages is important here so that your teammates understand your input without any confusion. You can type your message, whether it's a quick update or a more in-depth discussion about the task at hand. Once you've drafted your comment, the next step is to save it. This is done by clicking on the Save button. Saving your comment posts it to the task card, making it visible to all relevant stakeholders. It's a great way to keep everyone in the loop and ensure there's no miscommunication within your team. By regularly using the comments feature, you help maintain a clear and open line of communication. This can greatly enhance collaboration as it allows you to provide feedback, ask questions, and ensure everyone is aligned with the project's goals. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage projects on Trello, using comments to facilitate seamless communication with your team. It's an excellent way to ensure everyone stays on the same page, which can lead to more successful project outcomes. So go ahead, dive into your Trello board, and start utilizing these features to make your project management tasks smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in optimizing your Trello experience.